Hi, I'm Mark, and I want to tell you a little bit about the Whole Body 7.1 massage chair. This massage chair will relax your whole body. You can let your back, neck, and shoulders surrender into great relaxation and comfort through independent leg and backrest adjustment. You can recline this chair to several positions of your comfort, back all the way, legs up further. The dual motor capability gives you infinite positions that you can design your massage. This chair will also have warm air technology, which is another feature for one, either just providing warmth for those that want it, but it also helps improve circulation, and it will also relieve more tired, aching, sore muscles. It gets that tension out and gives you a great rejuvenated feeling. You also have the ability that this chair can swivel up to 55 degrees at the base. So you can swivel it anywhere to your desired position without having to move the entire chair. The Whole Body 7.1 also has FlexGlide orbital massage technology. This technology is like getting a hands-on massage with warm oil so that you have no friction or pinching of the skin. A very smooth, rejuvenating massage that can give deep penetration into the muscle. You also have the patented Figure 8 technology in the foot and calf portion. What this does is, unlike other massage chairs that may only clamp on the ankle, trapping blood down in that ankle, this will simulate a motion going around the calf, forcing blood back to the heart, improving circulation. You can also flip this ottoman over if you just want to relax without having the massage function on, and you can relax your legs in that way. The Whole Body 7.1 also has a feature called Body Map Pro. It allows you to pinpoint the roller movement to the exact area where you need relief from either tired or aching muscles. By pushing whichever area on the Body Map Pro, the rollers will move to that area and begin to massage and eliminate any pain or tension felt in that area. The Whole Body 7.1 also has a nice, comfortable cushioned backrest, as well as a cushioned head pillow that you can move up or down for your desired comfort level. Or if you prefer a more intense neck massage, you can eliminate it and flip it off the back to get that desired comfort level for your neck massage.